every website, how do we can secure on your particular website? HTTP to HTTP, yes. So I'm copy this URL. I'm searching for Notepad. Now copy the URL. What is showing for HTTP? So when showing HTTP, the website will be not secure. That is called, first of all, login for cPanel. Which hosting providing for SSL certificate can easily install by SSL certificate. This will be providing for limited hosting website. So select your login. In this, first of all, just scroll down. In this option call is security. Select by the Let's Encrypt SSL. Here you can click for reinstall. Done. After that, go to File Manager. Go to File Manager. In this option call is public underscore HTML. So why? Because total website will be stored by the public underscore HTML. In this option call is .htaccess. Click for edit. In this, we updating file call. Copy and pasting for here. Now click for save changes. Now coming to your site. Now click for refresh. Previous my website will be not secure. Now will be total secure. Copy. Again your paste. Previous call HTTP. Now will be called HTTP. Yes. So total file you can writing code is called .htaccess. The code will be implemented by the in this code to convert your website HTTP to HTTPS when server compatible by SSL certificate install. That's very mandatory or option. Any basic server, GoDaddy and any kind of server to purchase SSL, the minimum cost will be charges 3,000 to up to 8,000. GoDaddy, BigDo, any kind of hosting provider website, the minimum can separately charge for each domain 3,000 to up to 8,000. So any kind of web servers who will be providing for SSL, how do we can find? That is called when you find out any kind of hosting, when purchase any kind of hosting, most we can prefer by the reseller. So when purchase hosting time, we can check your package. Unlimited. What are the package you are providing? Select by your option call. They're providing for free unlimited SSL certificate. Unlimited SSL certificate. Both are different. Unlimited nothing but multiple domain. Free SSL nothing but only for one domain. This is the condition you can check by your when purchased by hosting. Hosting condition is very important on particular website to activate HTTP to HTTP. Yes, that is called. Here is the code where you can update .htaccess file. Sometimes people facing problem for htaccess file will be not visible. That is called go to setting. Always we can showing for show hidden file. If not, click this one. See this file will be there. .htaccess file will be hidden file. Go to settings, show hidden file, and click for save. Now file will be showing. So when you click for hidden file, the file will be not visible. Create the file. Create the file. The file name is called, always remember, .htaccess. Is it clear? This is called to activate your website non-secure to secure website, HTTP to HTTPS using .htaccess text document.